In front of me is OPPO Reno for Lite, and let me show you how to activate screenshot sounds on the following device. So as you can hear right now, it is muted, so you will not be able to hear the screenshot taken. But if you'd like to turn it on, just go to the settings, go to sound and vibration, then scroll down and click on screenshot sound. From now on it will be active, so let me show you. Okay, so actually it is muted, I guess. Let me switch off silent mode, and now you'll be able to hear it. And that's it. So this is how you can smoothly and easily activate screenshot sound. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.